Son, are we going to further airport?
No, we are not detached. Comrade, solidarity. We won't be detached. People through the press. What sort of a joke we're going through in the last few hours. As we are aware, we were sent to Kuje prison yesterday on the orders of this court. When we arrived there, contrary to what the judge said, we were not given any medical support, no food, no water. We were just put in an isolation center. This morning they came, took us out, drove us, handcuffed in a Black Maria that is probably just about to leave now, to this court. And in all, as has been found out in this court, they were just interested in using the power they have amassed against our rights to demand a better society. What I need to say very quickly is that we are in a historical moment in Nigeria. Absolutely. And I want to call on Nigerian people that this is the time to take sides. You want to decide on which side you want to be. If you want to continue to be with these incompetent oppressors, tyrants, or you want to be on the side of people who want to liberate Nigeria in the nearest future.
We are tired.
Yes.
We are tired of evil. This is evil. On what grounds are they holding him down?
So, on that note, we just want to thank those who are fighting everywhere on social media, you know, those who are fighting diaspora to ensure that we are removed from this exuberance.
We are not going back. We are not going anywhere. We are not going back. Enough is
that the judge had made some other new consequential orders, because apparently they do not have any charges, as you can imagine, but at the same time they do not want us to be free citizens. So she has asked us to now be remanded back to the police at FCID Area 10 and told the police to provide us with all kinds of access. But that is not where we should be. We should be sleeping in our beds tonight.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
We have no business going back to a police that has no credibility.
For what?
Yes. Police that engages in torture. A police that has no respect for human rights. That is not where we should have been. But the judge had to do what she had to do, which is provide some measure of comfort for us who are assailed by these very fraudulent charges of unlawful assembly, as if we are still under colonial rule. Of criminal conspiracy. Who are we conspiring against? Bad government. Incitement. Who are we inciting? Our fellow citizens who are suffering. Those are the 3 charges before this court. So we are hopefully going back to the police detention until Friday. My own conviction is that they will be plotting other things between now and Friday.
Let them free Sowore.
We are ready for it. We are ready for it at all times. And as I keep saying, I'll say finally to Nigerians, a luta continua. What are you talking about? Do you know this is better than me?
The prison will now carry it out.
Why would what is prison's business?
Huh?
We don't have any business with you anymore, guys. We are done with you. We don't want crisis.
I will never be part of it.
Yes.
Crisis, I will never be part of
Just
it.
carry your people go back. You heard the court. The police has vans. Let them take us to their SCID. Simple.
Sorry.
Except you want me to beat you for being a nice man.
No.
Have a nice day.
Well,
thank you.
Please.
Please. We don't have any business with prison anywhere. You can see lawyer outside. If they call you to say that you must leave us, tell us. Talk to the lawyer.
They've admitted your story, so that's yes.
The judgment of the court.
Yeah, I know.
This guy na police.
We'll wait.
So around one.
Wait on the lawyer.
Why is this lawyer? What's the matter?
Don't worry. Nothing will do your guy.
Them are good contract.
So initially we were going to commence this morning by 11 a.m. But they came to tell us they needed time to respond to the application for bail. And then the court was like, well, she stood down for 2 hours for 2 p.m. when they could respond to the So by 2 we came back to the report now that before then we went over their cancelled. So we are getting the John till Friday, the 8th day of January 2020. But they were fitted with that because they shorted it. Because I mean, she was comprehensive. She said she also has other ruling that judgment. I think this is Friday.
No one makes it out.
They are not satisfied with the ruling.
What court say is what we are following. Let this van, Baba will not enter this van. Our people will not enter this van. Let the police come and pick Baba. Let the police come and pick him.
But the only thing I will keep saying is that we
Okay, make it live.
for the sisters to come like them. Police will come and pick you up. And they're going to pick you up.
Why we borrow from China? Just to service our budget.
All of us that have a fight for. All of us now. They don't know my 7 months salary. We are here at the council. Food they don't give us, water they don't give us 1 and 3. We don't fight for you people. But you people are still here oppressing us. Ah! No. Stop us. We can't stop it. What did you say we should stop? What did you say we should stop? It is never been allowed in here that the sisters is a crime. The sisters has never been a crime.
He's not going inside on a very good. We go threat, go where he's supposed to go. You know they follow this method. Owner just they go.
Stand on the right, they are behind you. They're signing for them. Enough is enough of all this nonsense. We are tired of seeing all these irregularities in our society. How long shall we continue like this? The same police, they will not pay them. They touch us now, they charge us.
Because of the people that
Okay, 11 late. 11 late. We know they come on here until they fail. Hey, we know they come on here. This is crime. They should come back and say, no. They don't have the radical people. They have people. We are the most peaceful people in the whole world. What is happening in Nigeria? We have no bad country that is not have the whole country. We tolerate all manner of nonsense.
like he can go ahead and do it. He can go ahead and do it. They can just stand there and say, kill this man, destroy this man, and it should just be like that. In a country of no less than 2 million people.
Your boss not use your brain.
200 million people.
Use your brain.
We cannot continue like this. Since the police are the one that are going to keep him, let them bring their vehicle and pick him up. He's not entering Black Maria again. It is as simple as that. Come and pick him and take him to your custody. So that even if you happen to him, we know how to use your gun. We will not abuse the correctional service. You are right. Yes, it's simple as that. They are the ones that are taking him. So let them take him out. Because if anything happens to him, let's know who to hold. Try from here to that place. If no vehicle, we escort him from here. He's a runner. He's a sportsman. So he can try from here to guys.
He fits die. As you answer, it's not like that. He fits die.
So you people should not worry yourself. We will sleep here today if there is no police van. So that any activist we see that see will be afraid. Me, I'm not afraid of any police. I'm not afraid of any government. The only thing you do at once is shoot this flesh, and the spirit will go to his creator, and this body will go to the next and come out from. Nothing more. Can you do more than that? Can you do more than killing the flesh? You want to cause everybody to live with tears? No! Yes! Revolution now!
They are weighing police for 6 months. 6 months. Some police are even protesting. So this one cannot continue. All these shit. They give hungry people guns to be fighting hungry people. Yes, now. If you go to the IG office, you see the way the police there are well dressed. But you know the when we started the NSAS protest. Tell us what is happening there. You see other police you see here, is that the way they are well dressed? The court order that somebody should be taken to police and you want to use van to accompany him again and take him back to Kuje. Those are supposed to be in Kuje are the ones spending their money. They are spending their money. Until we talk about the distribution of the wealth of this country and collect the power back to the owner. The owner of the power varies, is the working people of this country.
Every day, where they come up for us, they pay tax. Now that tax, they take the feed them, I think they are so rocks. Now that money, as I enter transport, come here, I give.
We are not saying Sowore will not go. But what you are saying is that the police should bring the van, take him to where the justice. So you want him to follow this one again so that you can come him and
Security, number one priority. Now this place is illegal. This motor is illegal. By governmental institution, this motor is illegal. If we carry out for this motor, if anything happens to them, they will say the illegal motor is going. That's so. Make una bring legal motor.
I can even drive him. I can drive him with my car to anywhere. I drop him.
Bàbá àwọn èèyàn para. Ó pọ̀ yẹ́yẹ́. Ó pọ̀ yẹ́yẹ́.
Bóyá gbé fún sátàkẹ̀. Sátà láyé ta wá yìí. Ọ̀rọ̀ máa jẹ́. Ẹ gbé wá ẹ̀rí gbé lọ. Wọ́n ṣàkẹ́. Don't do it like that. 2 seconds. Come on, God.
Larry, you cannot understand. Who be next? Let me tell you what is happening here. To start with, there is no reason whatsoever. You don't be like, as you stand here, you don't do anything to this carry you. You no thief. You no shoot gun. You no rape person. Why? They come carry you. Then
think you will come remain for the country where you find yourself? We are all in chains. And you say we should remain quiet?
You guys know.
Did you see the way they brought him out like a criminal?
Let me tell you something.
It's him.
I was recording the way he was brought out. That is number one. Number
Who is
two.
next?
Number two.
Who is next? Who knows who is next?
Boko Haram. I kill him. Bandit, I kill him. How many did they arrest? They even negotiate. They even wait. Comrade, wait. Allow me to know. They even negotiate with them. So why or what they go stop me for demanding for the right? I think we will protest the period where in they that place. All these ones when they talk. Or we blast out on Twitter yesterday. All these ones should go on the side. Let me tell everybody. I understand the military. I understand the civil. I understand the again.
There's no saying on the side.
He's a lawyer. This which is my cousin brother. But one thing I will tell you, if you don't put forth in their yash, they will take you like ordinary people. But the day you will stand and you say nothing will happen, if they are taking, let them take all of us. Now he will stand. The same judge will sign that bail letter today. The same judge will sign that bail letter today.
We don't want this car.
We don't want it.
This is Gogoro.
Like I say, you dey see us like this, you be stubborn, but that's stubborn. You be stubborn.
No going back. No retreat. No
Stubborn people dey here. Stubborn people dey here. You don't be thief, you don't carry gun, but you stubborn.
Now we go tire. Now we go tire. Now you go tire. Now you go tire. Now you go tire. It is time to pick a side. Yes. It is either you are with the Nigerian people or you are with the oppressed. If you cannot offend us again, you deal with the oppressed. Yes. If you read news, you don't read our own, you are with the oppressed.
I no go enter this one. No go enter. He go pull everybody. He go carry people.
He go oppress you.
He go carry people well.
He never oppress you.
Let them go. He
never oppress you.
All of us go now.
If they won't carry the bag, all of us go the Kuje. Yes, sir. If they won't carry the bag, all of us go Kuje. People man, they don't get food, but they won't give up. They don't get bed. All of us sleep for them like that.
COVID-19 continue.
Me, I don't tire. I don't fear this one again.
Now let them fear COVID-19, we don't fear.
For us to fear, they can do extraordinary.
They no drink their tea, even their water.
How will you remind a peaceful protester when Boko Haram bandit everybody they see?
The waka come outside carry carbon paper.
Native. Lawful assembly. And I want to overthrow the country.
Plenty police kilos there.
Now we
and they just say make we leave.
couple people and then they overthrow government. Now we couple people and then they overthrow government.
Because he planned a coup and overthrew a democratic elected government of Shagari. And he decided to come and play on the Nigerian people intelligence. The Gulebe ones decided to support him, and
ended up making him the president. Just as some people will say, some people used to say that Sowore supported Buhari. But unfortunately, he has never done that. But right now, Sowore has been on the ground of good governance. If you say you want to do well,
Sowore is not a criminal. Sowore is not a criminal.
and that is why today Buhari should not think that because him is in power now and that he's going to manipulate everybody and we are going to leave under his junta authorities of those days by fear. We will not leave anymore under his control. So whatever they want to do, let them go ahead and do it. But all we know is that Sowore must not enter this van that they call Black Maria.
Now look at how our judiciary system is being fucked up. Now you requested for a bail application. A bail application is being given to you.
He's a peaceful man.
He's an